What makes Egypt so special is that it was clearly shaped by a distinct geography, namely the Nile River, that starts off in what is now called Lake Victoria, as far south as what is now Tanzania, and empties into the Mediterranean Sea through the Nile River Delta. The Nile is arguably the longest river in the world, but it's not very navigable. South of Egypt lies a number of cataracts, which limit contact with sub Saharan Africa. The only region of Africa with substantial contact with Egypt at the time was Nubia, in what is now Sudan. Small wooden ships could navigate the river north of what is now the city of Aswan. The river is excellent for irrigation, though, even though it's pretty crappy for navigation. The river provides water for crops such as wheat, barley, and chickpeas, which could fuel a large scale society. The rivers flood in a fairly predictable and less destructive manner than what we saw in the Tigris and Euphrates, which may explain why the Egyptians were more optimistic in their outlook than Mesopotamians, with even their underworld looking pretty nice. The Nile not only made it possible for Upper and Lower Egypt to unite, but also made it very easy for a central authority figure, the pharaoh, to take control over the entire region. This led to the mobilization of armies and mega projects during the Old Kingdom, most famously being the Pyramids of Giza, of course. During the New Kingdom, Egypt was able to expand into the Levant in what is now Israel, Lebanon, the Palestinian territories, and Syria. This led to a clash with Hittites, and the first recorded major battle in history, the Battle of Megiddo. Both sides claimed to be the winners, but it was most likely a bunch of BS propaganda, and in reality, the battle was a draw.